Hi, Orange Group. This is Orange Sort 28. You have 5 different patterns today, actually 4 patterns, and then you have a few oddballs. So go ahead and grab 5 different colors. We are going to go ahead and start with our first pattern. All of your words this week have an R in them, an O and an R. It might be O-R, it might be O-R-E, it might be O-A-R, or there might be a W with an O-R. All right, let's start with our regular old O-R. So an example of an O-R would be form. We just have an O-R. Or we could also do horn over here. We're not going to count this one because it's a W with it. We also have, let's see, north, or, I hear the or in it. I have, let's see, we're going to count floor for an oddball. We have corn, I hear the or. We have fork, I hear the or. I hear storm, I hear the or again. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool? All right, let's go ahead and switch colors. Let's go over to O-R-E, which also makes the or sound, but this time it has the E on the end. For example, more, like please give me more. We have shore, like by a beach is the shore. War, this is like who wore muddy shoes inside, war. Down at the bottom, I have tore, like I tore my paper in half. And the next one over is sore, like my muscles are sore. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Go ahead and switch colors. Let's move on to O-A-R, which also makes the or sound, which is kind of confusing. O-A-R. For example, board. This board is like what we write on, the whiteboard. We have roar, like a tiger. We have soar. This isn't like my muscles are sore. This is like a bird soars in the air. And the very last one, the bottom one, is actually O-A-R again. That's like a paddle in a boat. So we have O-A-R. I forgot to include store, so we need to go back and switch colors and go to green again. We forgot store over here with O-R-E. Sorry. Okay, last one, go ahead and switch patterns to our W plus our OR. You'll find that when you add a W to OR, it changes the sound. So for example, work. It doesn't sound like or anymore. Now it's work. Word down here, W-O-R-D. World. Doesn't sound like the or anymore. It's world. And last one down here, worm. Cool. Okay, you have 3 oddballs. Let's go ahead and change colors. The number 4, O-U-R. Floor. It sounds like it should be the or, but it's O-O-R. Same thing with door. It's the O-O-R. All right, Orange Group, go ahead and take your picture. Make sure you're studying your words. Good luck.